Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to know if a signature is required for your UPS delivery. So if you're expecting a package and want to know whether someone needs to sign for it, then just follow along. First, visit the UPS website or open the UPS app. Then enter your tracking number and open the shipment details. After that, you need to look for delivery information or special services. And if the shipment requires a signature, it will usually mention services such as signature required, adult signature required, or similar wording. And you may also receive an email or tracking update notifying you about the signature requirement. And if you're unsure, contact the sender or UPS customer service to confirm. So that was how to know if a signature is required for UPS. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.